Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of, yes, it's Wednesday, November the 17th, 2021. Yeah, we have here three regular Sudokus, the binary one, the medium one, and the killer Sudoku. Well, and I have no good news because in this daily newspaper, let me show you, no extra puzzles. That means that I need to continue with the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. The yesterday's newspaper of Tuesday. And so no good news, but in this daily newspaper there's also not good news because the numbers still increasing. Yes, the infected people, now it's more than 20,000 people are infected, so still increasing. So, and the lockdown is partial, not full lockdown. So the question is, when will the government do a full lockdown? Because the hospital are full, yes, are full with all those infected people. Anyway, let's start with this one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 3695. Yes, 3695. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. A double O, one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. And now between two O's comes an 1. Yeah. Then. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So this box should be an O. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So this box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. This is number 5. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Alright. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So this box should be in 1. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between an O and a 1, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Finished in 7 minutes. Alright, great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second regular Sudoku, a binary puzzle. Yes. See you then. Bye-bye for now.